7 easy steps to get 8 hours of sleep every night. Not getting enough sleep cripples your brain. It causes brain fog, mood swings, low motivation, poor judgment, difficulty learning, low impulse control, slower reaction time. If you are not getting enough rest, you are not doing your best. Reduce light in the evening. Several hours before bed, do your best to switch from using white lights to the more yellowish daytime lights. Also, dim the brightness of your lights if you are able. This tells your system the day is coming to a close. Don't eat or drink within 3 hours of bedtime. A big meal right before bed reduces your sleep quality due to digestion. Alcohol may help you fall asleep, but it hurts your ability to stay asleep. Too much of other liquids may cause bathroom trips in the middle of the night. Stop using screens 60 minutes before bed. Your sleep wake cycle is regulated by a hormone called melatonin. The light from screens suppresses the production of melatonin. This is why you have a hard time falling asleep right after you have been using a screen. Make your bedroom cool and drink. Aim to make your bedroom like a cave at night. Get your bedroom temperature to around 60 to 67 degree Fahrenheit, yeah, or 15.6 to 19.4 degree Celsius. If you have bright lights outside of your bedroom window, invest in a set of blackout curtains. Don't snooze your alarm in the morning. Why? Because it makes you feel groggier, confuses your circadian rhythm, trains you to not get up at the first alarm. Your wake time has a bigger effect on your circadian rhythm than the time you fall asleep. Keep it consistent. Go outside and get a few minutes of direct sunlight immediately after you wake up. Doing so helps anchor your circadian rhythm to a certain time. You will have an easier time waking up, getting going, and falling asleep. Light is the bigger modulator of your sleep wake cycle.